Good morning, students. Today we are going to see a new chapter. The chapter name is Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. What does mean by weather? Weather means short time of period there is a change in the condition of atmosphere, we call it as weather. Climate means long period there is a change in condition, we call it as climate. Okay, so weather and climate there is a difference. For example, today is very warm, today is very hot, but yesterday it is very cool. So per day there is a change in think is called a weather. Climate means it will be for 3 months or 2 months. This is a summer season, this is a winter season, you'll say no, that is a climate. So we should not confuse weather and climate. So there is a difference between weather and climate. Adaptation of animals to climate means how we are adapting to the climate. Many types of animals are present. For example, yak, cow, buffalo. So many types of animals are present here. How it is adapting to the climate, which climate is suitable for which animals, that also we are going to see in this lesson. First, I'll just give a introduction about the weather. First, we will see about detail about weather. See, when we are planning to go for a tour or for some other place, what first we will see weather. How is the weather present? Is it nice or rainy? We will look after that. And if they are planning for playing international games, world level game, what they will do for, they also see the weather condition. See, this is a picture of the weather report. It's a sample one. You can able to see. It will be mentioned in the newspaper. This is a sample of weather report from a newspaper. And you can see about how much temperature, humidity, rainfall during the past 24 hours it is mentioned. Humidity means is not just nothing, it's a moisture and air, that only we call it as humidity. And you can also make this report by your own. See, like this you can make the table. It's a weather date of a week. Here first tabular column date, you have to mention a date. After that maximum temperature, then on that day what is the minimum temperature, then minimum humidity means moisture, minimum moisture, then maximum moisture, then here how much rainfall. Okay, and actually rainfall is measured by an instrument. That instrument we call it as rain gauge. Rainfall measured by instrument we call rain gauge. It is actually cylinder like shape and on the funnel on top to collect rainwater. What is the weather definition means day to day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind, speed. That is what we call it as weather. And if they ask what are the elements of weather, they ask means the main thing temperature, humidity, rainfall is the elements of the weather. It is a very important. On the basis of that only the weather condition is explained. And for that is why we often say today weather is too humid or today weather is very warm, like that we actually used to say. It is a short period of time take place. For example, sometimes it will be very sunny in the morning, and during evening it will be very warm condition or cloudy. So this type of experience you may be felt. Actually, see, some graph is given here that is showing the variation of maximum temperature during 3 to 9 date. How the temperature varies we will see. Actually, when we get the maximum temperature during a daytime means in the morning time we will get the minimum temperature, and maximum temperature is in during the afternoon time we will get the maximum temperature. See, the graph shows, see, on the third day it is 26, but suddenly on fourth day it is 23.5. So within a day itself the weather condition has been changed. Okay, then you know the time of sunrise and sunset. Yes, but during winter time what it happens, yearly becomes dark, and we do not have a more time to play. Days will be shorter and night time will be very longer. This happens. Now you come to know somewhat about weather condition. and it was a very interesting one. You will get this worksheet as a PDF. Write the answer and send it to 7th Science Snaps group, timing from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you, students.